What if I told you that the people getting promoted right now, closing more clients, finishing work in half the time, aren't working harder than you? They're just using better tools. And the craziest part, every single tool I'm about to show you is completely free. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to see 5 AI tools that are quietly replacing hours of manual work every single day. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or someone stuck in back-to-back meetings, at least 2 of these will change your workflow this week. Let's get into it. Point 1. Stop drowning in information. Here's the thing nobody talks about. The biggest productivity killer isn't laziness. It's information overload. The average knowledge worker spends nearly 2.5 hours a day just reading and answering emails. That's almost a third of your workday gone before you've done anything real. Tool number 1, NotebookLM by Google. This is one of the most slept-on tools of 2026. You drop in any document, a 50-page PDF, a YouTube link, a Google Doc, and NotebookLM becomes an expert on it instantly. You can literally have a conversation with your source material. Imagine uploading a 100-page client report and just asking it questions. What are the 3 biggest risks mentioned in this document? Done in 10 seconds. No more skimming. No more missing the important stuff buried on page 67. It's free. It's from Google. And it works. Tool number 2, TidyCall plus AI scheduling assistance. Stop going back and forth on email trying to find a meeting time. Tools like reclaim.ai have a free tier that automatically blocks focus time on your calendar and rearranges meetings around your deep work hours. It's like having an assistant whose only job is protecting your schedule. Point 2. Create without the creative block. If your job involves writing anything, emails, proposals, captions, reports, this next one is non-negotiable. Tool number 3, Claude by Anthropic. Yes, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, but Claude has become the go-to for people who need longer, more nuanced writing. The free version handles big documents, can help you think through complex problems, and writes in a way that actually sounds like a human wrote it. Here's a real example. A marketing consultant used Claude to draft a full client proposal, strategy, pricing, deliverables in under 20 minutes. She spent another 10 personalizing it. That's a task that used to take her half a day. The key is learning how to prompt it well. Don't just say, "Write me an email." Give it context, tone, and the outcome you want. The more specific you are, the better the output. Point 3. Look like a pro without design skills. You don't need to hire a designer anymore. You just need the right tools. Tool number 4, Canva Magic Studio. Canva's AI features now let you generate entire presentation decks from a text prompt, remove backgrounds instantly, and resize designs for any platform in one click. The free tier covers most of what you'll ever need. Tool number 5, CapCut. If you create any kind of video content, even just internal presentations or client walkthroughs, CapCut's AI auto captions removes filler words from your recordings and can generate short clips from long videos automatically. This one alone saves video creators hours every week. Here's your homework. Pick just one tool from this list and use it tomorrow for a real task. Not to test it, to actually use it. That's how these things stick. If this video saved you time or gave you something new, drop a comment telling me which tool you're trying first. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and I read every single one. And if you want more videos like this, practical, no-fluff tools that actually move the needle, subscribe. New video dropping every week. I'll see you in the next one.